As I mentioned in the last video, a successful print is largely determined by what settings you choose in the slicing stage. To help you out, we made a 3D print materials guide document. It sounds fancy, but it's really simple. When you are in Cura choosing your print settings, you'll want to refer to this guide. In this video, we will review what is covered in the document and how you use it. So what we are looking at now is the 3D print materials guide document. You can find the most up-to-date version of this document by visiting the 3D printing guide at the link listed here or below this video or on our 3D printing maker guide. This materials guide lists every material offered in the Idea Lab and gives the recommended settings. Let's go through each of these settings so that you can understand what they mean. When we say material, what we mean is the type of plastic used to make your 3D print. We talked about PLA plastic, the plant-based plastic that is non-toxic. But let's look at the other types of materials. PVA, or polyvinyl alcohol, is a material that will dissolve in water. We use this material for adding support structures. Tough PLA, which is stronger and will not snap as easy as the regular PLA. Soft PLA, which is more soft and flexible than regular PLA. And there's also PLA with additives, such as glow-in-the-dark or wood pulp. These types of materials are actually abrasive and require a special print core. It is important to know which material you are using because each material has a recommended print core and print temperature. A print core is the part of the 3D printer that heats up, melts, and extrudes the plastic. Print cores come in different sizes and shapes. The number refers to the size of the hole the plastic is pushed through. A smaller number means the plastic strand will be thinner in diameter. The letters refer to the shape of the nozzle. Different shaped nozzles work better for different types of materials. Later in this class, we will talk about how to change the print cores, but for now, just know that depending on the type of material you are printing with, you'll need to change what print core you use. Print temperature refers to how hot the print core is when printing. You can also control how hot the build plate is to keep the material secure to the build plate and prevent it from moving or wobbling. Each material has a recommended print temperature and build plate temperature. So to review, the type of material you choose to print with will determine what print core you use and what temperature you print at. Okay, you're done with me. I'm sure you're relieved. Now I'm going to pass you off to Patrick, who's going to take over and describe the rest of the 3D printing process.